Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Misleading. Misleading means giving wrong idea or impression. For example, your article contains a number of misleading statements. Your article contains a number of misleading statements. Synonyms: deceptive, confusing, deceiving.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. They also provide grossly misleading information on animal research. Now, repeat after me. They also provide grossly misleading information on animal research. The second exemplar. However, this impression of inevitability, I think, is quite misleading. Now, repeat after me. However, this impression of inevitability, I think, is quite misleading. The third exemplar. Plus, it makes one very misleading statement at the start. Now, repeat after me. Plus, it makes one very misleading statement at the start.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word abstemious has all the vowels in the alphabetical order. Other such words include abstentious, arious, arsenious, and facetious.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.